Just went tornado 1.
Tornado, that's a tornado, that's a tornado, tornado.
That is your...
Wow.
Yikes! I don't want to get... I ruined it.
Hold on, think about you recording. Come on, Cloud.
Wow.
Tornado on the ground!
Yeah, it's on the ground now.
Beautiful job. For sure tape.
Wow. Sure we don't need to move and reposition?
Yeah, now we need to reposition. Tornado on the ground.
It's on.
It's on like Donkey Kong. Keep getting those shots, man.
We're about to be looking out the windshield. Am I coming? Am I coming? Oh, clear.
Taking my head off.
Oh.
Let's get right up next to this thing. Yeah, I'm watching it. This thing is right above us. Oh, it's right down there. Oh, it's on the ground. Let's stop and watch it. See anything?
I got it right now. I'm getting it.
That was really good. That was good. So you're telling me it's just a core, right? Yeah.
Look, it's kicking up debris right there to your left. See it? You getting it?
Yep.
Film it, out my window.
I am.
Right there, it's gonna hit that house. Oh, it just hit that house. Look at that thing. That's insane.
It's not coming in on.
It's on the ground again. It's on the ground on that side.
Look, it's kicking up debris. Right there to your left. See? You get it?
Yep.
Film it, out my window, out my window. Right there, it's gonna hit that house. Oh, it just hit the house.
Look at this. That's insane.
We're all filming at the freaking same window. We just went right over that house too. The van ain't too strong.
Stop.
Roll my window down.
Yo, guys, let's stop. Where's...
Holy crap.
Stop. It is stop. Down.
It's all the way to the ground, all the way.
Oh my God. Brakes, brakes, brakes.
I'm on it.
Here, take pictures for me.
I can do both. You want to take this while I take stills? Because I can't do both. Extremely well.
Oh my goodness.
Look at it. Hello? I'm looking at one right now on the ground. I gotta go.
Michael, look what it's going for too. Oh. Got it. Looks like it's trying to lower again.
Oh, GoPro show. That's just the core, guys. It's okay. It's only a core.
Horsey's right in front of us. They're right in front of me. Did anybody call it in?
Oh my God!
It is right there.
It's coming right at us. We need to get out of here.
No, it's not. It's gonna move. It's gonna move right there.
Oh! Oh my God! We need to move. We need to move.
Go.
Buddy, take the camera. Roll the window down.